How many days are there in February month? Ajay, get up. How many months are there in a year? Lokesh, get up. How many days are there in February month?